After exercise, the body goes through a series of physiological changes. Here are some of the main things that happen in the body after exercise. 1. Increased blood flow. During exercise, blood flow to the working muscles is significantly increased. After exercise, blood flow remains elevated for a period of time in order to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and remove waste products. 2. Improved cardiovascular function. Regular exercise helps to strengthen the heart muscle, improve blood circulation, and increase the efficiency of the cardiovascular system. This can lead to a decrease in resting heart rate and blood pressure. Please check with Narayana fitness expert any age, fitness levels, body type. He can help.